Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to backup recovery phrase in Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet, which means you are the only owner of your wallet and funds. Unlike traditional app, Rainbow does not store your password or recovery information. Instead, it uses a recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase, to protect your wallet and the recovery phrase is a two-way word secret key that allows you to restore your wallet if you change phones and reinstall the app or lose access. Backing up this phrase correctly is the most important step in securing your Rainbow Wallet. And then first, you need to launch your Rainbow Wallet app on your phone and unlock it using a passcode, Face ID or Touch ID. And over here, simply tap on your profile icon on the top and select Add on the bottom right. And over here, select Import a secret phrase or private key. And over here, write down the recovery phrase. Rainbow will display your 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order. Carefully write the word down on, and Rainbow will ask you to re-enter some words from the phrase to confirm you backed it up correctly. Complete the confirmation to finish the process. And that is it. Anyone with your recovery phrase has full control over your wallet, and treat it like a cash or gold. Once it's gone, there is no recovery. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to backup recovery phrase in Rainbow Wallet. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.